Discover the pinnacle of relaxation with the best essential oils for aromatherapy, a trending sensation on Amazon. Unwind your senses and soothe your soul with a curated selection of nature's finest essences. From calming lavender to rejuvenating peppermint, these essential oils offer a holistic approach to tranquility and well-being. Dive into the world of aromatherapy and elevate your relaxation rituals with these coveted blends. Explore the transformative power of aromas and embark on a journey towards serenity and balance. Experience the therapeutic benefits that have captured the attention of wellness enthusiasts worldwide. At number 5 is the ArtNaturals Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser. The ArtNaturals Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser is a versatile ultrasonic aroma humidifier designed to enhance your living space's ambience while promoting health and wellness. The device allows you to infuse your home with a variety of 100% pure essential oils or blends, setting a mood that ranges from relaxing to invigorating, according to your preference. What sets this diffuser apart is its commitment to family health. By utilizing ultrasonic cool mist technology, it dispenses a fine mist without the harmful byproducts of smoke from candles and incense, making it a safer alternative for children's rooms. It's a cleaner solution for those sensitive to airborne irritants, effectively serving as a holistic approach to air freshening and aromatherapy. The diffuser's natural air freshening qualities offer more than just a pleasant scent. They extend tangible wellness benefits. As per Mayo Clinic Insights, aromatherapy can substantially alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression, foster better sleep patterns, and enhance the quality of life, especially for individuals managing chronic health issues. Practical features include a 150 milliliters tank that provides 4 to 5 hours of continuous operation with an auto shut-off function for safety when the tank runs dry. The added convenience of 1 or 3 hour timer settings fits seamlessly into any routine, doubling as a tranquil night light for peaceful sleep. At number 4 is the Basic Vigor Nausea Inhaler. The Basic Vigor Nausea Inhaler presents itself as a natural and straightforward remedy for those plagued with various forms of nausea. This 2-pack aromatherapy solution is specifically designed to support individuals experiencing motion sickness, queasiness, the adverse effects of chemotherapy, and even pregnancy-related nausea after the first trimester. The potency of this inhaler lies in its expertly curated blend of essential oils, including spearmint, peppermint, lavender, ginger, and clove. Each oil is chosen for its known properties in soothing the stomach and the senses, offering a non-drowsy alternative to traditional nausea medications. The combination not only eases discomfort but also induces a state of calm, addressing both the physical and psychological aspects of nausea. Portability is a key feature with the Basic Vigor Nausea Inhaler. Its discreet and compact size means it can be a constant companion in a bag, pocket, or on a bedside table, ready to be used without any mess or fuss. Simply holding the inhaler under the nose and inhaling deeply can provide immediate relief, making it incredibly user-friendly, especially for on-the-go scenarios. The product's commitment to quality is evident. It is made in the USA with high-quality, pure essential oils without any synthetic additives, promoting a clean and vegan-friendly approach to healthcare. In addition, the long-lasting nature of these inhalers ensures that users will have access to relief for extended periods, making them a reliable tool in managing nausea. At number 3 is the ArtNaturals Aromatherapy Essential Oil Set. ArtNaturals presents a premium aromatherapy experience with their Aromatherapy Essential Oil Set. This collection boasts an array of the most popular scents including lavender, peppermint, tea tree, and eucalyptus, each bottle containing 0.33 fluid ounces of pure essence. The oils are 100% pure, therapeutic grade, and come with the assurance of being GC/MS tested, ensuring their purity and potency. These quality checks are transparent, with reports accessible via the product images or the ArtNaturals website. These essential oils are versatile in their use. Paired with a carrier oil, they become a rejuvenating massage blend that can alleviate the strain of an exhausting day, while also providing benefits for hair, skin, and nails due to their therapeutic properties. When utilized with an essential oil diffuser, the scents can transform any space into a sanctuary of wellness, permeating a home or office with a scent that promotes relaxation and well-being. The DIY enthusiast will find joy in the myriad of essential oil recipes ArtNaturals offers. These recipes cover a vast range of applications, from household cleaning solutions to outdoor sprays and personal care items, providing a natural and custom approach to wellness and lifestyle. ArtNaturals is confident in their product, offering a 100% satisfaction guarantee or money back, which speaks volumes for their customer service and product confidence. With no risk involved, customers are encouraged to explore the health benefits that this aromatherapy set has to offer, possibly finding a natural solution to enhance their daily lives. At number 2 is the Breathe Blend Essential Oil Sinus Spray. The Breathe Blend Essential Oil Sinus Spray emerges as a potent, all-natural ally for those battling with the discomforts of sinus pressure and congestion. This spray is meticulously crafted to offer immediate relief, drawing on the power of highly regarded, therapeutic-grade essential oils known for their calming and curative properties. The concoction is a symphony of nature's finest essences, including the invigorating scents of peppermint and eucalyptus, the herbal clarity of rosemary, the warmth of clove, and the soothing touch of olive and cajeput. This blend is designed not only to alleviate nasal congestion, but also to provide stress relief and promote better sleep, addressing the trifecta of discomfort that often accompanies sinus issues. Remarkably concentrated, the Breathe blend does not demand liberal application. A mere few sprays are sufficient to deliver its soothing and therapeutic effects. Users can take solace in the product's commitment to purity and safety, as the spray is formulated without any harsh chemicals or common irritants such as parabens, GMOs, SLS, petroleum, phthalates, gluten, artificial dyes, or fragrances, making it a suitable option even for those with sensitive skin or allergies. The Breathe blend is particularly distinguished by its promise of instant relief. It is not just a temporary fix, but a reliable source of comfort that can be used throughout the day as needed. The sinus spray stands out as a must-have for those seeking a natural, effective solution for their sinus discomfort, offering a gentle but powerful approach to respiratory health. At number 1 is the ArtNaturals 100% Pure Eucalyptus Essential Oil. ArtNaturals 100% Pure Eucalyptus Essential Oil offers an authentic aromatherapy experience, designed to cater to both physical wellness and to permeate your living space with its invigorating scent. True to its promise, this oil is unadulterated and therapeutic grade, ensuring users receive the full spectrum of benefits eucalyptus is known for. The product's purity is taken seriously, with GC/MS testing to guarantee no additives have been included, and detailed analysis reports are readily available for consumer transparency. The versatility of ArtNaturals eucalyptus oil is impressive. It can be safely applied topically when diluted with a carrier oil, integrating seamlessly into massage oils or DIY beauty recipes. However, users should conduct a patch test to ensure there are no sensitivities or allergic reactions. Its natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties make it a valuable addition to skincare routines, particularly for those aiming to soothe muscles or enhance their natural glow. Aromatically, eucalyptus oil shines when used in an essential oil diffuser, providing a refreshing and clean scent that can also help to clear the sinuses and support respiratory health. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a non-toxic alternative to synthetic air fresheners and plug-ins, offering a way to naturally freshen the air in homes or offices. ArtNaturals stands out in the essential oil market with this product, not only because of its dedication to quality, but also due to its commitment to ethical practices, being vegan and cruelty-free. This eucalyptus oil is a considerate choice for the environmentally and health-conscious individual, bringing a touch of nature's healing essence into everyday life. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.